Ngibingelelayo emkhathini. Ake ngibingelele nje imikhakha bogogo bomkhulu, idlondlo zamanzi, ngibingelele namakhosazana. Namhlanje ngibingelele okay, angiqale ngichaze. Niyazi ukuthi why ngigqoke u-black? Because u-black symbolizes power, authority, victory, and overcoming bad spirits. That is why uzofika e-court egqokiwe amajazi amnyama. That is why uzofika graduator egqokiwe amajazi amnyama, because usuke eshaye i-victory lo muntu egqoke ijazi elimnyama, noma lo usuke e-graduate, noma usuke ephasile, eshaye i-victory, usuke overcome izimo, esethola ne-authority yokuthi abe kuleyo position abakuyona. Ngicela ukuthi seni-understanding.